Hello, I'm Lisa here at Piano Video Lessons, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to play the chord progressions for Go Easy on Me by Adele. There are two things that you might want. You might want to print the chord progressions. You also might want to hear me play it along with Adele. You can find both of those things by clicking the info card or in the video description. So let's get started. First, we're going to play the intro, and in the intro we have what looks like 4 or 5 different chords, but we can do this quite easily by leaving one hand on the F chord. So we're going to start off with F, A, and C, C on the bottom in the right hand, and we're going to play the octaves of the root in the left hand. So we're just going to play F octave, and here's the right hand. So here we go. There's your F chord. Now to change this to D minor 7, all we have to do is move the root in the left hand to D. This is D minor 7. Sneaky, right? Then we have F chord over A. So we're going to play F triad with A and octave in the left. And then we go to B flat sus2. So we have to hop this time. We're going to bring our 5 over to F and thumb on B flat. And the B flat sus2 is going to have the note C in the middle. So we're going to change our left hand to that B flat octave. And then to go from B flat sus2 to B flat, we just change the middle note to D. So I'm going to go through the whole thing, and you can play it along with me, but you should practice this until you can make those chord changes comfortably. Here we go, starting with F to D minor 7 to F over A, B flat sus2 to B flat. Awesome, that's the intro. All right, so practice your intro, and now we're going to move on to the verse. And as you can see, the verse starts off with F major to D minor 7, and we already know this part, and we already know the F over A, and we already know B flat sus2 to B flat, and next we'll play the C major triad. So our left hand is going to move to C, and our right hand is just going to shift a little bit, so we can play G, C, and E in the right hand. So we just came from B flat, so my 4 is over that E, and then I can just slide over so that my thumb can reach the G. Only my thumb really has to move. All right, next on the next line, it's F to D minor 7 again. So F chord to D minor 7. Now this time F over C, just a little more energy this time than the F over A has. Then we go to B flat. There's no sus2 on this one. Then to go to D minor, we only have to change our thumb down to A. But we also have to change the left hand to the D octave. So let's do that again from B flat to, oh, it's D minor over B flat. We don't have to change the left hand. D minor over B flat. We're just going to put our thumb down to A, and then we go back to B flat. All right, so that's the whole verse. I'm just going to go through that from the top. You can practice it along with me, or you can rewind this section if you need extra practice. We'll go nice and slow. Here comes F to D minor 7 to F over A, B flat sus2 to B flat, now C, back to F, D minor 7, F over C, so just move your left. Here's your B flat. Just move your thumb, D minor over B flat, back to B flat. Nice. Okay, we're ready for the chorus. And the chorus starts off with F, D minor 7, which we have done lots of times. So we'll do that quickly. Here's your F to your D minor 7. Next we go to the C chord. So we're just moving down one on the left, and we're keeping our thumb on C in the right. So we went from C, F, A to C, E, G. It's nice and close. So there was our D minor 7 to C. Now, to get to G minor 7, I'm going to put my 5 on G. I'm going to play F, D, and B flat along with that G, and my left is going to find the note G. And then there is a G minor chord, so I'm going to let off the F. That's just a regular G minor. B flat, D, G. And then we go to F over A, and then B flat. So it's just kind of walking up from G to A to B flat. Then it says repeat, so we'll go back F, D minor 7, C major, G minor 7, let go of the F, now F over A, everything a little to B flat. And then we finish the last line, D is F, D minor 7, just like your intro, F over A, B flat sus2 to B flat. All right, so there's one more section in the piece. You can sort of see it peeking out down here, and that's the bridge. It's very short, just one time through these 4 chords, which we've played before, just not always in this order. So F to D minor 7, just like most times, then straight to C major. Right hand's gonna stay close. I just only had to move 2 notes. So from D minor 7, I move my F A down to E G, and there's my C major. And then everything's gonna walk down again to B flat. So let's go through the bridge one more time. F, change left, D minor 7, right hand changes 2 notes to C major, and then B flat. All right, those are all the chords you need to play every section of Go Easy On Me by Adele. Again, click the info card or the video description for the chord sheet or the play along. And if you have any requests of pop songs that you'd like to be shown in this manner, just leave me a comment in the video description because I'd love to know what you'd like to learn. Awesome, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you later. Bye.